Happy birthday!
Di ba't ang dilim? Ting, ba't ang dilim? 2 years ago lang. Oh, birthday ni Tin yun.
Birthday ko pa. Hindi ako naglaro. Wala akong license.
Sinurprise ka namin.
Oo.
At least ngayon.
Tayo DJI.
Hi guys.
Asma Pocket 3.
We're here. Okay, vlog.
Asma Pocket 3.
Bipon ka.
Kayo rin eh, bukang magkapatid.
Hi guys. Kaya nga, ang sarap kanila.
Just mine. Picture mo po. Ang editing. Uni Diaries.
Sino?
Dito ko Alam mo? Wow!
Ay, ubo ka ha. Wala pa yung gitna eh. Ito oh. Ayun pa nafe.
Andyan yung finger mo eh.
Konti naman.
Mm.
Siguro yung pagbagong ano. Gawa sa oven.
Mm. Mm.
Bakit?
Ang laki ng kagat mo. Mm.
Pista, ano sa pang pala? Nangdagan pa naman.
Dapat daw masarap na dirham siya.
Bili tayo mamaya yung churros.
Ito, gastos na agad ng isip. Ako ang kapon nagbabudget ako ng baon. Ako na. Mhm.
Where are we going?
La. Mm.
Yep.
Yes, no. Hmm.
God damn! Bro, perfect timing, bro, you know?
Why?
Because I got my car game. Sheesh, bro. Okay, what the wait? It's like not like some plain bullshit like others.
Hey, best. What do you mean? Bro, the plain shell is better than your fucking ass.
No, this is
I don't know. See?
No.
Hi, Amma. We're gonna have dinner.
It's my favorite pasta.
What is this? White sauce pasta?
Truffle.
It's an expensive. One more, mommy. Last bite.
Last one, Tita. Take your time.
It's raining.
will take a lot of time.
Check natin yung isa doon yung gusto ko.
Date! Happy Mother's Day! Hindi ka naman happy.
Finger food. Ay, sabi na finger food.
Nag-e-expect siya ng bastos. Nag-e-expect siya ng bastos. Sinagot niya ng maayos.
Tapos po yung isa matcha date. Pero isa po hindi ko po na.
No sugar.
No sugar.
Umigit na yun sa taas.
It's okay. Go, go. No, it's Lotus. Si Mami gumising pa kanya, hoy, huwag mo kalimutan yung cheesecake ni Joshua. Natunaw na. Tanaw na.
Foam na yan, hindi maghahalo talaga yan. Sabi ni,
La! Ininom!
ano ba yan? Foam nung naiinom? Wala. Foam yung maiinom mo. Kainom ako ng waste ko. Painom! Tikman ng mga may kape na eh. Ito, gusto ko to.
Ay!
Sarap ng pagkakape.
Sarap dito may banana cake.
Kasama may kape. Gusto ko yung matcha pag may kape. Go na. Hindi busog! Gusto mo? Sabi sa'yo masarap pag may kape.
Sarap. We're going to the Bible!
Patay mo na. Kailangan ko yung ano.
No.
Kailangan ko yung
Sabi
map.
mo na, hi guys!
Hi vlog.
Where are we going?
Uni. Going back to uni.
Okay. I'm going back to uni. Let's go.
No. Gigil muna.
No, start.
Gigil first. O, paano? Paano eh?
Ano? Ito muna.
Hindi ko magagalaw hanggang di ko pinipinit yung break.
Tara na!
Bakit?
Ako nang maglakad dyan. Lagi ako... It's the Burj Khalifa! It's the Burj Khalifa!
Dito yan, tingnan mo. Oh, ilawan ka to.
I cannot see nga. It's not there.
Diyan yan. Hindi
It's not
mawawala
there
yan.
na eh.
Ayun, dito ka na. See yan. Ow!
Uy, ang ganda naman ng ilaw. La, ba't ang pinatay? Magli-lipstick nga ako. Paano yun?
Big.
Nagpaganda ako today para lang sa photo booth.
Why?
Because I want to be ganda on our first Picture.
Go na.
Let's go. Can you put my wallet in your pocket? Ayun na! Windy! Ayoko tumingin. Happy birthday, Daddy! Happy birthday, Daddy! Matcha-cha! Mommy, they have matcha now, you know? They have matcha now.
Kasi may uling na kami kaya kami alis. After 8, parang wala yung hotel sa Dubai. No, sticky rice? Yes,
Happy birthday. Birthday ng dalawa.
Sophia.
Ah.
Only one
Hi guys, we're going camping.
Oh, this is finished, no?
But we're not sleeping there.
Ang
Look at the
what time are
back.
we?
They're like 4,
4?
3, 4 a.m. Depends.
Oh, you will have iftar with us. Oh boy.
Ginaan na kayo ni Elmer?
Should I call?
What's this?
Okay.
That's foam.
Extra cushion dito.
Paalis pa.
It's for dad because he doesn't have a butt.
Then I should have two then.
Yeah, you should have 3
So,
actually.
nasa na yung ano, lalagyan ng ice?
We're leaving. I'm vlogging on this. Look.
Naku, it's very dark.
No, that's why I will use my camera at night. I will use this now because there's still sun.
Ano pa yung giving movement, mas makapal yun, di ba? Koy ramin ko. Pag gas ka muna, may gas ka pa?
Ish. Look, Anchan's making me carry. So bad. Yeah, ice.
This one?
Yep.
How do you open this?
You have to put this down. Yeah, now open. The other side. It locks it. Yeah, there we go. How many you think we should get? 4?
4.
Because last time we only had 2. Wasn't... Ah, will it fit? Only 3.
No, no. Oh, it will fit. Fit.
Sheesh. Sheesh. Oh, one more. Try. Thank you. We're going on a trip. On a favorite rocket ship. Zoom into. Huy, huy, huy. Come here. There they are. You're going gym every day and you're complaining?
Boy, I'm strong, huh?
I thought you're supposed to do ka-chow.
What is that?
Ka-chow!
Huh?
Ka-chow! Lightning McQueen.
Ah! Yeah,
Huy,
boy.
huy, huy, look at them. Boy, they're leaving us. Come in.
See? We fitted 4 inside, boy.
Sheesh. Proud of you, boy.
Tango.
Na. Mamaya daw si Tita Tin magbibitbit.
Rich stuff, so they get money. Yeah, you know? Yeah. It's in the basement.
Only for emergency.
Side quest.
Side quest. Ay, layo na pala natin.
Kaya side quest ba? For you.
Wow, Mother Nature, amazing. Touching grass, amazing. Sheesh, how's the food?
So good.
Say it, pininyahang manok.
Copy paste.
Pininyahang manok.
Luto ako beef tsaka chicken.
Wow! Oh my gosh! Go guys! Woohoo! Woohoo! Child, what are you doing? Smooth me!
Boy, this is not anchan. Somebody eat anchan, then anchan became alive.
What is this cushion?
Uy, you know, if something bad happens to me, this will protect me.
What is that?
My stomach.
What if something hits here?
Boy, that I can't do anything.
Or something will kick, not inside.
Oh, bad. You guys, huh? Want me to be pregnant, huh? Sheesh.
But he's eating. Let him cook.
Sheesh! Boy, look at this. He's dancing, boy.
It's a matter always. 6 strange darkness.
You're holding your own fan. Kaka. Don't say kaka. Kaka face. Kaka face. Lighting lights.
Multo.
Wait.
Anchan, you do it?
Like that. Ah, open. Ah. Wait. Exactly.
Wait, turn
Wait.
Ah!
Stop. Go do. Ay, wait. Sisiya mo na. Oh. Go. Uy.
God.
Nice ka.
It doesn't hurt.
You know, boy, I can feel my stomach stretching from inside now.
Hi guys, we're doing a vlog today. 12. This is like trying to find some scary shit here.
Finding Vecna.
Yeah, finding Vecna in Zacher Lake.
Ayun o, yung nakadilaw.
Yeah. Zooming in, look. I'm holding the phone so bad.
Look how far we are. That's where they are.
Like they're all the way there. We're still sitting here. Hi guys. Yo.
We ate everything. Anchan
had-
ate everything.
Boy, Anchan ate a table.
Anchan! You said you ate a table!
We had nonchalant. We had donuts. We had hot dog. We had
We had yampo.
yampo. We had everything. So full. We've been here since like 5 p.m. Low-key tired.
Can't lie.
It's so dark. Anchan! Boy, say something to the vlog. Boy, you look like a
I'm
monster.
so scared, boy. Because if I hold your hand, the monster will be scared of you.
If we hold Anchan's hand, another monster will come outside. Yeah, boy.
He's sleeping, boy.
This is a vlog.
Carry me.
Carry you?
Yeah. Carry me. Stop. Carry me.
You will sit on top of me?
Here is your haircut.
No way.
Go, 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 go.
You sure?
1, 2. Hold on properly, huh?
Oh my god.
Hold on to his shoulders. Or to his hands.
Hi guys.
Pink, tignan mo.
Ah! Mustache.
Look at his haircut. Look at his haircut. Look at his haircut.
Mustache.
Oh, I caught that. But I didn't see you wake up na for 1 week. Ow! Ganda ng buhok mo dito. Your hair looks good.
Thanks.
Tang yabang mo.
Pangit na.
Pumangit talaga.
Stop it. My phone!
Never done before. The competition, man. PewDiePie is next. And I'm flexing all these checks. Got a brand new Rolex. And I'm coming with the chew.
And I'm coming with
The crew. This is Steve 10, bitch. Who the hell are flipping you?
Hoy, Anchan, you cannot
Anchan, put her down.
shoulders when we go up.
Sheesh, boy.
I doubted you.
We doubted you, boy.
Yeah, because it's scary if you go up.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, obviously. What am I, 4x4?
Hi, guys. 4x4, boy.
Now you're
Boy,
by two, by four.
boy, you built like a Minecraft character. Go, Anchan. Lose weight, boy.
Anchan, go.
That's crazy.
Ole, ole, ole. Ole. Go, boy.
Going.
My boy, go.
Oh, you're so anticlimactic. Go, fast. Are we watching? Finally. Wow. Give me back my phone. Sakit sa mata. Sakit ng tiyan ko.
Sa grupo.
Uy, mashallah.
Masha Allah.
Good morning. I feel so good. Because I slept.
Boy, we punch it, boy. Boy, please, let's do something, boy.
Sheesh.
Imagine still being up from like 6 or whatever. And I go like this.
Request si Bosto.
Magano tayo vlog yun. Hi, lahat tayo.
Happy birthday, Daddy!
Happy birthday.
Oh, birthday ko pa, March 5.
Di pa naman wala ng bukas. Gago ka daw.
Hyper hot. Crazy.
Nangunguha ko ng
Points.
Tita, sabi mo
Pagkatapos na to, wala na.
Why is it dark, babe?
Uy!
Sorry.
Wala na!
That's sausage McMuffin.
Okay, Dad. Let's eat! Nice shots! Love you.
Love you.
Ano yan?
Kami.
Kanina galing?
Cook!
Coke! Gusto yan ni Mai, di ba?
Big Cook.
Big Coke.
Asinan. Big Cook!
Big Coke? Ay, utot! Ikaw, utot ka! Say hi! Ayaw na, ayaw na. What's that?
Cook!
Big Coke!
Cook!
Show mo yung Big Coke mo. Wow! Big Coke! Oh, smile. Say love you.
Love you.
Miss you.
Miss you.
Water. Yum, yum.
Wow.
Water.